Okay, this is problem number 19 in our application section here at Heavy Coin. Alright, we got to find three integers such that the second is twice the first and the third integer is 6 more than the second, and that their sum is 256. We'll label, we'll let x be, well, what happened? We'll let x be the first integer. Okay, that's our first integer. Now what does it say? Find three integers such that the second is twice the first. So the second integer is twice the first integer, and that the third integer is 6 more than the second. Wait a minute. And the third integer is 6 more than the second. Okay. So here's the second integer, and it's 6 more than, so we just add 6 to it, right? And their sum is 256. So we have x plus 2x plus 2x plus 6, and it must sum to 256. So we want to simplify this equation and then solve for x. So let's look at all our like terms. X, 2x, there's another 2x, so that's going to be 4, 5x. $5x plus, and then we've only got one constant term. And now that we've simplified the equation, let's go ahead and solve for x. So we subtract 6 from both sides. And now we have 250 is equal to 5x, and then multiply both sides by 1/5, and we have 1/5 times 250, right? So 5 goes, so a fifth of 250 will be, x will equal 50. So that's our first integer. So let's write them down here. So the first integer is 50. Now remember, the second integer is twice the first. So that would make this integer 100. Okay, and that the third integer is nothing more than the second plus 6. So this would be 106. Now they must all sum. Let's go ahead and check this out. So 50 plus 100 plus 106 is going to should add to 256. And it does. So we set our equation up properly, interpreted the problem correctly, and found what the three integers were: 50, 100, and 106. All right. Okay, I'll see you there in the next problem.